broadcasting from WAOTS in Los Angeles.
Oh, hello again, friends. It is I, Sexy Yeti. Et bienvenue à chez moi. Enchanté, I'm sure. And with me, as always, is my companion, Dennis. Today, I'm going to teach you a skill that everyone should know. How to change a flat tire on the expressway. Now, here's the scenario. You're driving alone at night on a lonely mountain road when the tire on your automobile becomes flattened. Yes, Dennis, it's a very frightening situation indeed. You could be set upon by rough-handed men who smell of wood smoke. But it's actually quite easy to change a tire. Here, you need only loosen these lug nuts. Exposing the naked stud. Let me get a better angle. No, Dennis, I have been working out. It's just my hands are slick from all this moisturizer. Well, if you know a better way to keep your skin silky smooth, I'd love to hear it. There we go. And then you need only remove the tire and oh my. Oh, it just popped off. Oh dear. It's so big and rubbery. Which is, of course, why I cannot overemphasize the importance of a good roadside assistance program in your insurance package. Join me next time, won't you, when we'll discuss the type of soil that might be best for your herb garden. Arrivederci.